guys, in today's video we're going to talk about the upcoming ETF launch of Ethereum. Ethereum ETF launch is going to happen on July 23rd. On Cointelegraph it says CBOE gives official launch date for spot Ethereum ETF. The Chicago Board Option Exchange has confirmed that 5 spot Ethereum ETF products will begin trading on July 23rd. This is a good news. First, it was Bitcoin ETF. Now it is Ethereum ETF. It will be traded along Apple and Google. Think about it. The world's greatest companies is now trading along with Web3's greatest projects. Now look at the news. 5 spot Ethereum exchange traded funds will begin trading on the Chicago Board Options Exchange on July 23rd, pending regulatory effectiveness. CBOE announced on July 19. On May 23, the United States Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) approved rule changes permitting the listing of several spot Ether ETFs. However, before the new products could begin trading, the regulatory still had to sign off on each fund issuer's respective S1 registration statements. The 5 spot Ether ETFs set to commence trading are the 21 shares Core Ethereum ETF, Fidelity Ethereum Fund, Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF, and VanEck Ethereum ETF, and Franklin Ethereum ETF. In an effort to gain an early market advantage, virtually all of the ETH ETF issuers have announced plans to temporarily waive or discount fees to compete for market share once the product begins trading. Industry analysts have told Cointelegraph that other ETFs could attract billions in net inflow in the months following the launch. Billions. Think about it. We are talking billions of money going into Ether. And what will happen? Ethereum will explode soon. It can 2 to 3x in the near term. You have to understand it will correct to its original price. That's the price that it had in December. And that's around $3,000 $4,000 range. I'll explain to you why this is the case. But here the news is different. It says the Ethereum's price will outperform Bitcoin. But there is another news explaining why it is not the case. Here it talks about Ethereum supply crunch. And it's coming soon. That's increased demand from institutions looking to fill their exchange-traded funds with Ether could spark a supply crunch. The Ethereum's exchange reserve, a metric tracking the amount of Ether available for purchase on cryptocurrency exchanges, is as multi-year low. A recent Kaiko report also touched on Ether's 1% market depth, suggests that lower liquidity could spark increased price volatility, sending the price of Ether higher in the face of increased demand and potentially outperforming Bitcoin. Institutional analyst Tom Dunleavy believes inflows into Ether's ETF could hit $10 billion this year and see as much as $1 billion in capital flows per month. In recent statement, the asset manager told Cointelegraph, "I expect a very positive price back, sending us to new all-time highs by early Q4. Chief Investment Officer of Bitwise, Matt Hugan, shared similar sentiment, explaining that Ethereum stakers were not as intent on selling their assets the same way Bitcoin holders were. The Bitwise executive claimed that 28% of Ether supply was already sequestered and cited increased withdrawals from exchanges to colder forms of storage as another sign that other holders expect future price appreciation." Yes, this is the news. Each supply surge casts shadow on spot Ethereum ETF excitement. There is a supply surge coming. Like ETH is inflating. We are just 3 days away from approval of the spot Ethereum ETF, and the excitement among investors is pretty high. However, rapidly increasing ETH supply over the past 2 months is one of the major concerns going ahead. ETH supply increasing by 60k per month. Popular market analyst Benjamin Cohen stated that Ethereum's supply has been increasing by 60k per month. He added that if this continues to happen until December this year, the ETH supply in circulation will be similar to that before the merge event back in September 2022. In the last 3 months, the Ethereum supply has surged by 150,000. Currently, since the merge, the supply is negative 298,000, but that will only take 5 months to revert at this pace, said Cohen. Cohen added that major drivers for Ethereum price surge moving ahead would be nothing but the monetary policy, unless and until the Fed pivots and moves to quantitative easing. Cohen doesn't expect a major surge in Ethereum going ahead. According to Cohen's analysis, the ETH BTC trading pair experienced a false breakdown below its lows in Q2 2016, followed by genuine capitulation in Q4 of the BTC halving year. If the current pattern mirrors 2016, Cowen suggests that the final capitulation for each BTC may not commence until September 2024. This timeline would allow sufficient time for the initial excitement surrounding the spot ETF related to BTC to diminish. If you follow monetary policy, last cycle, ETH BTC broke support the same month that the Fed cut rates, said Cowen. Well, reports suggest that the Fed rate cuts could commence sometime around September this year. Citing historical charts, Cowen explains that the ETH BTC pair weakened down to the lows in August while making a substantial rally the next month in September. He believes that a similar pattern repeats this time as well. With the spot Ethereum ETF hitting the market next week, the investors are excited about strong inflow that could follow. Issuers like BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and others announced their fee structure earlier this week. Many market analysts have been expecting multi-billion-dollar inflow coming into Ethereum ETF by the end of 2024. However, this may not happen immediately after the approval. Some analysts also believe that there is chance of sell the news kind of event to occur. This is what I am saying basically. ETH is inflating, and up till November, I think it will inflate a lot and it will correct itself. It will be back to the price that it was traded at in November 2023. That's going to happen soon. So this is a good news as Ethereum ETF is getting approved. I believe that new ETF approvals are on the way. New crypto projects ETF approval will be there in the future, like Solana and many other projects. And this is the time, this is the bull run, and it's going to happen. And it's going to happen in August till November because it's a crucial period to market to inflate. I think it will inflate till November because it's a presidential election and we have a good chance that Trump will win, and Trump is pro crypto. So we are going for the kill. Means crypto is back. That means generational wealth is going to be made very soon. That's it for today. If you love this video, you could subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.